Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to add music to Google Drive. Have you ever found yourself wanting to store your entire music collection in one safe, accessible place? Or maybe you want to share a special playlist with your friends without the hassle of emailing large files. Google Drive offers a simple solution for both storing and sharing your music files, allowing you to manage your audio library effortlessly. In this tutorial, we will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring that even beginners can follow along with ease. First things first, you'll need to open Google Drive on your preferred web browser. Head over to drive.google.com, and if you're not already logged in, enter your Google account credentials to access your drive. Google Drive is an excellent tool for storing a wide range of files, including music, making it easy to keep your audio files organized and available online. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look towards the left side of the page. Here, you'll notice a large, colorful button labeled New. This button is your entry point to uploading and creating new content on Google Drive. It allows you to work with documents, spreadsheets, and today's focus, music files. Click on the New button to proceed. After clicking New, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. To add your music, select File Upload. This feature enables you to choose files directly from your personal computer and upload them to the cloud. Before you start this process, it's a good idea to ensure your music files are organized in a manner that's easy to navigate. This will make the subsequent steps much more straightforward and efficient. At this point, a File Explorer window will open up on your screen. This is where you'll search for the music files you wish to upload. You can browse through your folders, collections, or music libraries, depending on how you have your files organized. Once you've found the music file or files you want to upload, highlight them and click the Open button at the bottom of the window. Once you click Open, Google Drive will begin uploading your selected music files. You'll be able to track the upload progress in a small window located at the bottom right of your screen. Keep in mind that the speed of this process will depend on your internet connection and the size of the files you are uploading. It could take a few seconds to several minutes, so patience is key. Rest assured, your music is on its way to being securely stored online. And there you have it. Your music files are now uploaded to Google Drive. If your files are in a compatible format, you can even play them directly from your drive. Additionally, if you want to share them with friends or family, simply right-click on the file and select the Share option. Enter the email addresses of the people you wish to share with, and you're all set. To summarize, uploading music to Google Drive is a straightforward process involving a few simple clicks. It offers the convenience of accessing your favorite tunes from any device, anywhere in the world. Thanks for following along today, and happy listening. That's it for this tutorial on how to add music to Google Drive. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.